Now, how to use Google Drive. These apps you are seeing are Google apps. You can see the Google Drive by the left of the screen here. So when you open it, it will show all the files, the folders and files on your Google account. Let me go to home. Look at home downward here. These are all the files I have on my Google account. Now, how do you now save a new file on it? You go to where the file is on your phone. That's your file manager. Let's say I want to save um let's say I want to save this picture, this first picture. Let me first rename it so that I'll be able to identify it. Let me say save alert picture, or let me just say alert pic. Done. Now that alert pic, now let me look for it here. Okay, instead of searching one by one, I can just search here. Now alert alert picture. Okay, this is it. So I've selected it and I want to save it on my Google Drive. I'll go to share by the left here. Then it will bring out several options. Then I'll look for where drive is. So I'll tap drive. So now where do I want to save that document? Do I want to save it inside a folder? Do I want to save it just ordinarily? These are ordinary files that I have saved, but these ones are the folders that I have created. So whichever folder I want to use, I tap it and I'll save it. But because of a pic is a picture, right? So let me save my picture. I'll create a folder here. I'll now title it my new picture. So create. So inside that folder now, I'll save my let's pick. This let's pick now is inside my new picture folder. So then I'll tap save up. Once I tap save, it will be there. So anytime my phone is lost, I can just download Google Drive and retrieve those files back instead of having to look for it everywhere. Do you get?